Coucou, yesterday you introduced yourself like a star. Je m'appelle, moi c'est magnifique. Today you'll add the perfect touch of French politeness. How to say nice to meet you, thank you, and you're welcome. Because being polite in France isn't optional, it's an art form. Let's warm up with what you already know. Say it out loud. Bonjour. Comment ça va? Je m'appelle. Moi c'est. Enchanté. Perfect. Now add a smile because in French, tone matters as much as words. Repeat it once more. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Emma. Enchanté. Remember, repetition isn't boring. It's your secret weapon. Bonjour, je m'appelle Julie. Salut, moi c'est Nicolas. Enchanté. Enchanté, merci. De rien. Let's unpack it. Merci, you already know it, but say it with a soft R. Don't roll it like a Spanish, just a little airy. R. De rien, literally, of nothing, but means you're welcome. Say it like de rien. Quick, smooth, effortless. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. You've seen it yesterday. Use it anytime you meet someone new. Cultural tip. French people say merci for almost everything when someone passes the salt, opens a door, or even when you bump into them. Let's repeat together. Merci. Again, merci. Now, de rien. Again, de rien. Perfect. Now the mini dialogue. Repeat both parts. Merci, de rien. Again. Now the full introduction. Bonjour, je m'appelle Julie. Moi, c'est Nicolas. Enchanté. Enchanté, merci. De rien. Excellent. You're starting to sound like someone's new French neighbor. Repeat, repeat, repeat. That's how your brain locks it in. Aujourd'hui, tu as appris enchanté. Nice to meet you. Merci. Thank you. De rien. You're welcome. Say it once more. Merci. De rien. Simple, polite, perfect. You know how all the basics to meet someone, introduce yourself, and thank them with a start. Tomorrow, we'll learn the 3 French magic words. Oui, non, s'il vous plaît. Trust me, those can open every door, especially the one to a croissant. À demain.